As a new day dawns and the nonstop demands of an energized business environment test the hard-working men and women of Atlanta, Team Full Circle rolls out to tackle challenging projects all over town. Full Circle's investment in people has been a key to success in the areas of client and customer satisfaction. Full Circle's operational team makes getting life back to normal faster and easier by bringing unparalleled experience, expertise, and a passion for excellence to bear, especially when it's needed most, during emergency mitigation situations, catastrophes, and disasters. As an insurance claim-related specialty contractor, Full Circle sets itself apart from the vast field of competition in the ATL. They do this by demonstrating proficiency in understanding the insurance claims process, demonstrating an appropriate sense of urgency, responding with capacity and capability, consistently delivering timely communication and high-quality documentation, and providing exceptional performance on the job, all of which equates to high marks across the board in customer satisfaction. Full Circle combines all of these characteristics with efficiency in the field and competitive pricing to achieve significant savings and real value for clients and customers. Full Circle's base of commercial real estate professionals and institutional and industrial facilities management mavens aren't fooled by elaborate sales gimmicks, fancy marketing campaigns, or free CE training. These pros conduct thorough due diligence and validate what many business professionals and residents throughout the Atlanta metro area have known for over 2 decades. Turning to Full Circle Restoration is the smart choice for resolving emergency mitigation, disaster response, and recovery incidents. It doesn't matter whether it's a 1.3 million gallon water damage in Atlanta's most prestigious shopping mall during the Christmas season, or a 9-story water damage in a premier courthouse, or a microbial remediation project in a high-tech government laboratory environment. Full Circle is there to get the job done properly and quickly. Be sure to call Full Circle to handle your next incident and experience excellence and the Full Circle service difference.